Okay, so first we need to be able to make a square out of a rectangular piece of paper. It's easy to find a rectangular piece of paper. So to make a square, you take one corner, fold it up this way, across to the opposite side, so your hypotenuse is down here. Then you just trim off the extra. I'm guessing pretty much everybody knows how to do this, but it's very important that we start with a square. Okay. So, here's a bigger square. Now, we're going to fold it in half. And then fold it in half again. And then, here's the tricky bit. We fold it in thirds so that we get a point, like this. Okay. Then, cut off the extra side and do some nifty designs. I'm not going to take a lot of time to do nifty designs right now, but just enough to show you what's going on. Okay, that'll do. Alright, and now you open it up.
What?
And it's a six-sided snowflake.
Wow.
Okay, so here are other six-sided snowflakes. It's a fairly simple process. And they're fun, you can hang them up and they're all Christmassy and it's nice. And they make a great big mess, which is also fun. But you only have one snowflake at a time. However, I recently discovered hexaflexagons, which are sort of Mobius strips that are folded over lots of times, and they have too many sides. So here's what a regular hexaflexagon is. This is a tri-hexaflexagon.
It looks like a hexagon. Oh my god, what did you just do?
It has too many sides. Well, specifically this one has 3 sides, right?
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Jeepers.
And then we're back to the first side again. So here's how you make one of these. You need 10 equilateral triangles, and to make the equilateral triangles, you use the same method that I just used to make the snowflake, where you fold it in thirds. You just end up taking a long piece of paper and fold in thirds and make a point, so you end up with an equilateral triangle. And then you fold the paper over and over and over on itself, like so. And however you want to do that, so that you have lots of equilateral triangles.
So many.
Then you make a hexagon out of it by just folding over all in the same direction, tucking behind, and taping here. And if you want to see that really slow, then you should go check out Hart's amazing videos on hexaflexagons. Okay, but now we have
oh my gosh,
six-sided shape.
Wow.
Okay. Alright. So now, here's a finished hexaflexagon, and I'm going to make a hexaflexasnowflake. So instead of having one configuration, I will have 3 snowflakes all at once, just by opening. So first we just fold it over like we did before. Before we had an isosceles triangle to work with. Now we have an equilateral triangle to work with, because we have 5 sides of this instead of 6. And I'm just going to do something really rudimentary here. Cut out some bits to make nifty shapes.
Candy corn.
No idea what this is going to end up looking like. Okay. Now we open. If this worked out, I'm going to have a hexaflexasnowflake.
Wow.
Yes.
It's very colorful.
So let's try opening it. Oh, that's not the way it opens. There we go. New configuration.
Holy cow, so many snowflakes. Do it again.
Okay.
Wow.
And you'll notice not only are the colors different, but the snowflake design is also different. The little holes are different shapes and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Like this one has in the center a hexagon. And what does this have in the center? Woo! This has a
weird
triangle.
thing.
This has a triangle in the center. And this has nothing in the center.
Nothing!
Yeah. Okay. So, there's also, this is a tri-hexaflexagon. That means it has 3 sides. This is a more complicated thing called a hexaflexagon. And it's a whole lot more complicated and has way too many sides, and making it is a little bit more difficult. But, so...
Looks like an ant.
Here's the first side. Here's the second side. Whoa, I have things hidden in the middle. Ooh, here, yes, is a third side.
Ooh.
Now,
pretty.
Some of these sides open more than one way. This is one of them. Here's a fourth side.
Wow. How many sides does it have? Jeez.
So far, I'm pretty sure it has 15.
15 sides.
So we have 15, at least, different snowflakes here. And we can go this way. Oh, by the way, if you flip it over and then play with it, you end up finding sides that you wouldn't have found if you don't flip it over. Which I know it sounds like it should be symmetrical, you know, but it's not. You flip it and it makes different things. Yep.
My goodness.
So, happy holidays. Enjoy your Hexaflexasnowflakes. And try not to let the recreational math eat all of your time.
Play safe.
Play safe.
These things are dangerous.
Yes.